Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the presentation. Once it loads, focus on the left thumbnail pane because that's where navigation is fastest. Click a slide thumbnail to select it. You want to be sure it's the correct one before removing it. If the deck is long, use search or slide numbers to jump quickly and make a mental note of adjacent slides so you can restore context later. Once done, you're ready to perform the deletion and avoid accidental loss. Now remove the slide using the method that suits you. Press Delete or Backspace for speed, or open the Edit menu and choose Delete Slide if you prefer menus. You can also right-click the thumbnail and select Delete from the context menu. This is useful when you want duplicate or skip ahead instead. Make sure to check neighboring slides after deletion so transitions and numbering still make sense, because deletion can affect animations and speaker notes. Finish by verifying the deck. Play the affected section in present mode to check animations and flow, because deleting a slide can change timing. If you remove the wrong slide, press Ctrl+Z or Command+Z right away to restore it. That's the fastest fix. If too much time passed, open File Version History and restore a prior version, making sure you don't lose subsequent edits. A good habit is to confirm changes before sharing, so nothing surprises your audience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.